Where we going? Oh yeah. To get some money.
How can we go grocery if we don't have money?
Gotta have some money.
It's all about the money. Money, honey, money. UK.
Long way up here. Oh wait, Pacific Mall? Pacific Mall.
We're having vaccination here.
Having what?
Vaccination.
Oh. Looking for something for the little man?
Pikachu.
Pikachu, yeah, Pikachu. Likes the Pikachu.
I'll be fast because
That's okay.
the sandal na bilis na mabukan.
Pikachu.
Hello, baby. The same. Me, expensive here.
Yeah.
6.14 now eh. They don't have my Pikachu.
Why don't you ask if you look around? A lot of toys.
Yeah. Walang may Pikachu, sir. Pikachu nga stuffed toy. They don't have. They don't have. Now let's go.
Disney. We got some. Those are not Pikachu.
There. Try that. Sun.
What?
He will color.
Huh?
He will color the dinosaur.
He'll color the dinosaur?
He will color for it.
Ah,
Look.
nice. This one's for Daddy.
What's that?
He's just a little Nerf gun.
Abi, a gun na po. No, lagi expose him a gun.
Oh. Where to find her? Where to find her? Gotta love shopping. Grocery shopping. This is where we come every month. First of the month. Stock our dry shelves. There she is. I know you. How you doing so far?
I'm good so far.
Anything specific?
5 are yours.
Hmm?
Will 5.
What?
5.
I said 12.5.
Yeah, me 13.
13K for you, 12.5 for me.
Okay.
And look at you still got all that. Got that. You already got a box. I think that's ours too, I think. Yeah. We will see. Jollibee for supper?
Jollibee face towel.
Or McDonald's? So a moment of prayer in the middle of the day. Everyone does it. starts up again. It's like a pause button. Where are we at? 10:05.
12.5 lang ay 12.5.
12:05. Oh, you're going up now? I said 12:05.
12.5 also for me.
What, hon?
Nalagyan pa nga ng ikuan niya.
What? I don't have. I didn't bring that phone, hon.
Wala pa ko kami memorize.
I don't have dinosaur game.
Brontosaurus, Brachiosaurus na. Dinosaur games man better.
Ready to go find out what we look like?
Yes, I'm so
Excited? Okay, let's go. Let's see what they got done. It's been 4 days since we were here. 5 days. 4 days? 4, 5 days? Wow, they got some of the top up. Let's look up here. Oh, for the... oh, they got the... Yeah, hold on. So, how high will the aircon be? How high up off the floor will it be? How high? Now I got the roof on. At least I got all the roof except for probably like 4 panels there, maybe 5 panels from the end. Got double layered insulation. They are now working on the handrails going down. So that's good. So what do you think of? So what do you think of so far? Everything looking good?
Yeah, yeah. I hope that it's not always raining.
Yeah. Now they did say they told us yesterday they were shooting for a closing date. What was the closing date?
The
Or the finished project date, I mean.
This one it should be finished before June 28th. That's their contract, but we don't know when the turnover.
Yeah. I'm guessing if the contract's due 28, they'll still probably do some touch-ups here and there on the house.
Yeah,
and then,
mga cabinets.
right.
Need pa man
But the construction will be done by the 28th, I'm guessing.
before.
Yeah, the way they're going now, it'll be done.
Yeah, but they need to be in hurry because it's always raining here.
Yeah. Well, once they get the roof on, then their issue about rain is really pretty much gone because they'll be working inside out of the rain.
Yeah.
But here's some of the panels.
That's why they did not paint yet the outside, not like they're in the third.
Right. I wonder. Nope, nothing out here yet for the roof, unless those panels are further outside. Cause these, I don't know how wide these panels are. But yeah, come here. Look, see the white strip?
Yeah.
You can see it's double. They doubled it up. That'll help on the heat a lot. Yeah, let's go out here on the. And then they got the rail here done. Of course, they'll smooth it all. They'll sand it down and touch up their things when they paint.